This is the third time I've tried to make this video. What's up, guys? As you can see on the title, I'm playing the song Payphone by Maroon 5 on the regular recorder. I will make an alto edition. Okay, and if I mess up, don't get all mad at me. I just learned this like 1-2 days ago. But without further ado, let's get started. I might have skipped out a part, and I did not do the rap part because I do not know it. So, I kinda like that. I kinda like how I do that. Woo! The reason I did the regular recorder first is because the alto squeaks easier, so yeah. Dolphin today, this is Evan. I approved this message, and finally on the third try I got it. So yeah, guys, bye.